Okay. So, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. I hate that start, but that's just how it's gonna be. Okay, so it's been quite a while now since I did a video last, and I haven't really done any commentaries and such. I always blame it on the internet, but not this time because I actually have something to show off. So, I guess you don't know this, but I have been doing some programming lately on this games project called Lord of Rigel. Sorry about all this shit, by the way. And Lord of Rigel is... Oh, okay, that was new. Okay. Lord of Rigel is like a really cool 4X game I'm developing with some other people I know. And, yeah, we've been working on this for like, I know, the last 6 months or so, since June of 2014, so last year. That's when I met him from Reddit. Reddit is a awesome place, shout out. Okay, so what I plan for this video, I don't really have a plan. I guess I'll just do something that's, I don't know, around 10 minutes or something. But you don't need to know that. Okay. So yeah, we have indeed released a demo of this game, which is also kind of why I want to, like, you know, just basically show it off. And let me just go to the build path. And yes, this is a soon to be 4X game. We're relatively early in development, but you know, can't hurt to like just get it out there and show it off a little bit. This is why I'm doing this, you know, can't hurt. Sorry about breathing into the microphone, by the way. Kind of trying a new setup. Okay, so as you may already saw here, okay, either way, this is made in the Unity engine. We tried, like we hoped, to develop our own thing using something called Panda 3D in Python, but we decided Unity is the way to go. At least at the time we thought that. And we're still going strong, and you know, it has its problems, of course. But it's been working great thus far, so we'll just keep on using it. Takes a couple of seconds to load up. All in all, the demo is about 500 megabytes or so, if you want to download it from our website, which I'll leave an annotation right here now. Wow, that's loud. Sorry. Just gonna turn that volume. Oh, that window does. Oh, yeah, that's actually a known bug. Okay, welcome to Lord of Rigel. This is our menu, and right now in the public release we have something we call the Galaxy Demo. The Galaxy Demo is just what it sounds like. We're kind of trying to like mimic a game called Master of Orion 2 with Lord of Rigel, and as you will see here, it's very much the same. You know, you have a nice interface for the generator. Of course, some of these buttons doesn't do anything right now, just because we're not that far into development yet. Like, difficulty doesn't do anything, opponents doesn't do anything, tech level doesn't do anything. But, you know, anomalies, age, size, and shape, and richness as well does do stuff right now. Because that's something the generator can use to generate a galaxy. So, you know, just as a show-off, I guess, I'll choose Legendary, which is the biggest galaxy, and a Spiral, just because I think they look pretty. Press accept, takes a couple of seconds, and the music stopped. Okay, here you have it. In like 2 or 3 seconds, it made this. This, everyone, is our Galaxy Demo. The Galaxy Demo features our Galaxy Generator, which is some place you can... Oh, sorry. Which is somewhere where you can explore the Lord of Rigel galaxy. All of this is... I don't know if procedurally generated is the right term, but yeah, I think so. It's generated when you press the button using a seed, and we also have load and save functionality, actually. So yeah, this is the biggest galaxy, 1024 stars. You got nebula. You have everything you expect. Many different star types. And of course they have names, which are cool. Now, something cool. This is of course not the whole demo, which would be kind of boring. Is that if you press a star, it'll kind of go into here, which is our system view. System view shows you what's in any given system. It also has like different data. Like you can see here, Rutan Prime, which is prime because it's the first planet, at least closer to the star, which has a 5 max population. It's ultra poor and normal gravity. And we also have like, you know, gas giants with rings, which also shows up as like a modifier in the text box there. And all sort of cool information. Here you have Rutan, which is, you know, large M-type star, fairly common in the common galaxies. And if I have to say so, the game is absolutely stunning. Like, we just have some cool shader effects and such, lens flares. I just think it's kind of cool to look at planet eclipses. Just see the planet coming up and in front, and then I just think it's generally nice, relaxing game to look at. Our planets, of course, we have atmospheric shaders for the planets that needs that. We have many different types of gas giants. And you know, all of this is still a work in progress. I think it's important to mention. But yeah, if you ask me, this is pretty darn cool, right? And all of the stars have a system. Not everyone maybe has planets, but you know, you can still press them. This is a neutron star, and they usually don't have planets. It's possible for them to have planets. It's even possible for stars to have companion stars, which I think is, you know, really cool. Here we have Tenant, and what I think is kind of cool, Tenant 2, Tenant 3. What I think is kind of cool is that we actually have like a huge file with thousands upon thousands of different names that you can recognize from sci-fi series from, you know, the last couple of decades. You know, we got names from Babylon 5, Battlestar Galactica, Star Trek, Star Wars, you know, just general sci-fi names, and they're all used to populate the galaxy, which I think is awesome. We also have some, you know, other names here, like, I don't recognize this from any series, but no, ABBA, the famous Swedish band. You know, you may have some names here that people recognize. We got loads of names, and I just think it's kind of cool sometimes just to look around, you know. What I haven't shown off is the nebulas, which I will do now. So like, let's say Zerain, which is inside the nebula. Click. And here you have it. The nebula actually loads up in system view, which I think is really cool. And of course, the nebula will affect the gameplay. These are indeed volumetric nebula, if I remember correctly. And yeah, I absolutely love what the art team has done. The project leads, you know, programmers. They've done this, made this into like a really cool game. I gotta say, there's been some changes from the build I'm showing you now. Mainly the skybox, because everything here is black now. Let's say I go all the way in. And that's indeed wrong. Do actually have a proper skybox now. So that's got fixed, you know. But yeah, that's everything I think I've got time for in this video. I will make sure to post updates on the development process. Sorry. If I go back to the main menu, you know, you can continue games, load games. We have lots of functionality in place. Also keep in mind, this is a pre-alpha. Still a very much work in progress. We barely, you know, started making soundtracks for the Galaxy, the Skirmish, which is the next we'll release. You know, main menu music here. We got a really good team working on this. Just as a kind of teaser, you know, we'll release the I guess, the second like true iteration of the demo in a couple of weeks. I'll make sure to post links when that's up and going. That'll include our tactical demo. And you know, it's been we have a hard road up ahead of us, but I'm certain we'll make this. So yeah, until next time. Wow, that's perfect. Yeah, until next time, I'll make sure to post updates. Wow, that was actually perfect. That, you know, that just showcases we're still a very much work in progress, pre-alpha. But hey, at least it's working. Until next time, I'm Tuxinet, and thank you for checking out this video. Bye.